In this video, how to fix an error you might see when updating your laptop's BIOS. You're seeing this because you're trying to update the BIOS without the battery connected. You've already extracted the BIOS update file using 7-zip and tried to run the update manually. As you can see, you cannot update the BIOS on a laptop without a battery. So, you need to edit the configuration file to bypass this requirement. To fix it, don't extract the BIOS update file with 7-zip. Instead, run the BIOS update file directly. When you get the error, don't close it. Instead, go to your temp folder. You'll see the extracted folder there. Let's copy it to your desktop. If you close the BIOS setup error screen, this folder will be deleted automatically. Now, you can edit the configuration file and update the BIOS without the battery. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.